skin rolling, so I'm basically going to hold on to this here, okay? And notice when I sit, I'm cradling the table, one leg is here, one leg is here, and my trade positions, okay? A lot of work that I'm doing always, I'm utilizing my body, okay? So, soft touch, and basically the index and the middle finger and the thumb I'm working, this is sensitive already. Very, very sensitive. I'm in complete vacation. If I'm getting tired, I put my forearm on the person's body, shoulder. Okay? Just sifting.
What are you saying? Sifting?
Rolling.
Rolling.
Is that the same?
No, platisma. You could do that over the entire platisma, but lower here is sensitive, but not as sensitive as up higher, correct? Although you're pretty sensitive down here too. How do I know when the person is sensitive? Soft tissue gives. When there is a knot, it doesn't give. Okay? It just is not as soft. Okay? So it's unwielding. Okay? And then I slow down. The speed of a stroke can create as much pain as the pressure. Okay, so again, I'm not working with pressure, so I'm going to lower the speed here. That's a little bit better for you, isn't it? If I don't move. Because when it's hypersensitive, if I keep moving, the only thing I'm doing is I'm annoying the brain.